Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you're all well. So today we are going to discuss the 21st problem in the TLE Eliminator CP sheet, 800 rated problems. The problem name is blank space. So let's get started. Let's start by reading the problem statement first. You are given a binary array A of length n. Binary array is an array consisting of only zeros and ones. A blank space is a segment of consecutive elements consisting of only zeros. Your task is to find the length of the longest blank space. We need to output a single element, that is the length of the longest blank space. Let's start by seeing the first example. 1, 0, 0, 1 and 0. So this is a consecutive length of zeros and this is a consecutive of 1. So the maximum is 2. So our answer is 2. Let's take this last example. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. So the lengths are 3 and 3. This is the first 3. This is the second 3. So the maximum is 3. That's why our answer is 3. Here there is no 0. So the length is 0. Here there is a single 0. So the answer is 1. Here also there is a single 0. So the answer is again 1. Here the answer is 2 as discussed here. So what should we do? So we'll just maintain a counter variable that will contain the number of zeros. Now we will reset the counter when we encounter a 1. Otherwise we will increment it. So suppose initially the value is 0. On this it will be again reset to 0. Now on this it will be incremented to 1. On this it will be incremented to 2. Now here it will be again reset. Before resetting we will have a max variable that will contain the maximum of the counter and the max itself. So here it will be again resetted, here it will be +1 and so on, right? So let's see a little bit of code. We'll take input of n and the array input. We'll have a counter variable set to 0 and we'll have an answer variable set to 0. Now we will iterate over. If ARR of I equals 1, then we will make a counter equal to 0. Otherwise we will increment the counter and also change our max variable to the max of counter and the max. That's all we need to do in this code. So let's go to the coding part now. So I have my boilerplate code here. We'll be taking an input. We'll make an array A size n. We will take the whole array as input. Now we'll have an answer variable initialized to 0 and a counter variable also initialized to 0. Now we will start by iterating through the array. If the ARR of I is 0, then we will increase our count and also change our answer variable to the maximum of answer comma count. Otherwise, that means the element is 1, then we will just reset the count and in the end we will just print the answer. So let's try for the sample test cases now. This is 2, 1, 1, 0 and 3 here. So the sample test cases work. Now let's try to submit it. It's in queue and it got accepted. That means our solution is correct. I hope you understood the problem. Comment down what was your approach for solving the same problem. The solution link would be in the description section. Do check it out. Also, this is a playlist for all the problems in the CP sheet. Do check out all the other problems as well. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.